Hello, hello, everybody. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Welcome, welcome. Happy Wednesday. And it is Wednesday, so that means Battle of the Stitches. Yay! This is Wednesday number 2. So if you are just popping onto my channel and you do not know what Battle of the Stitches is all about, let me tell you. I started this with Heather from Strings and Threads, and what we do is each week we're working through this book. Oops, oh, here it is. We are working through this book, and each month we are picking out a new stitch from this book. This is the step-by-step guide to 200 crochet stitches, and it's by Tracy Todd Hunter. Okay, so this is the book we're working out of. And the stitch that we're doing this month is stitch number 4 in the book, and it's called the Purl Slip Stitch. And this is what it looks like. And I do not knit at all. But according to Heather, who does knit, this stitch looks very similar to the purl stitch when you do knitting. So that is the stitch we're doing this month. So the first Wednesday we come on, we introduce the stitch that we are using for the month, and excuse me, got a little tickle in my throat. We introduce the stitch and we do a little tutorial and show you how to do the stitch. Then the second Wednesday of the month, which is today, we come on and we give you a sneak peek at the project we're making. Now, the project that we make with this stitch is not an original pattern to us. It is not a pattern that we are using that's made from somebody else. We are creating our own unique pattern with this stitch. And so in a minute, I will be showing you a sneak peek of what I've started working on. And you can, in the comments below, you can guess and see if you can, in the comments below, I'll get this out today, I promise. In the comments below, you can guess as to what you think I am making with this stitch. So then the third Wednesday, we come on and we show you our completed project, and we also put out a video tutorial so that you can make that project too if you'd like to. Then on the fourth Wednesday, we come on live together and we do a drawing. Also on that third Wednesday, when we show you our completed project, we put a poll up in our community tabs on each of our channels, and you get to vote on whose project. After you've watched all of our videos, you get to vote on whose project you like the best. Then what we will do is we will do a drawing for everybody who voted, and one person is going to win the project that got the most votes. So, and then on the fourth Wednesday, that's what we do and then on the fourth Wednesday, that's when we do the vote, and we reveal the winner, and we go live and reveal the winner. If there's 5 Wednesdays in the month, then we talk about the stitch on the first week, we show a sneak peek on the second week, then the third and the fourth week, we do the video tutorial on the third week and put up the poll for voting. And then we have the fourth week open for voting. So you get an extra week to vote when there's 5 weeks. And then the last week of the month, we do the live and reveal the winner. So what we've started to do, we've been inviting some content creators to join us on this. And so this month, Ella from No Catchy Name Crochet is joining us this month. And we have another content creator lined up for July and August, but we won't reveal who they are until that month comes. So here is the sneak peek. I am using Bernat Softy Chunky for my project, and yes, I've got my hook shoved in there. I'm using the Bernat Soft and Chunky. It is in the colorway of Grape, and I am using a 10mm hook for this chunky yarn. And so far, this is what I have. I love the texture of this stitch. this is the, well, this is actually the back, and this is the front. I love this texture. So this is what I have so far. So I will let you guys try to figure out what I am making. I've got to get on the ball and finish that and pre-record it, because next week I'll be at camp and I won't be able to do videos next week. So, but I will have a pre-recorded video out, scheduled to go out that day. So you can see my finished project and the tutorial that goes with it. So, let me think if I've left anything out. I've told you about that. Oh, yes. I also wanted to say, even if you are not a content creator, you can still join in on the fun with this. Now, what you can do is you can use the tutorials for the stitch, and you can create something with it. And we would love to see what you create. If you want to do something on your own, that's fine. If you find a pattern that uses that stitch and you want to use the pattern, that's fine. As content creators, we are not using an already made pattern. We're making our own. But if it's easier for you to use a pattern with the stitch, go ahead and do that. Submit your pictures and tell us, make sure that when you send us your pictures of what you've made, if it's not your own creation, let us know who created the pattern so we can acknowledge them, and we can share your picture on our Wednesday videos. So that's how you can be a part. Your project will not be included in the voting, but we will share your work on our channel and support you that way. So we would love for you guys to share pictures. So if you create something using this Purl Slip Stitch, please do so. I have a playlist for Battle of the Stitches, and if you missed the tutorial on how to do the Purl Slip Stitch, it's in my Battle of the Stitches playlist, and it is titled Purl Slip Stitch, so you should be able to find it. I will also link it, or in the description box. I will also have each week and what we're doing each week, so you can keep up with that and the stitch we're doing. So I invite you to join in with us and have fun. This has been so much fun, and I am so excited that we are getting more content creators joining us for this. It's just, we're having a ball with it. And I cannot wait to do more stitches and to show you guys more projects. This is really helping me build a library of patterns, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to open up an Etsy shop really soon and list some of these patterns in there. Yay! So I will talk to you guys later. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and I will see you tomorrow for Things We're Making Thursday. Bye, guys.